Hi everyone, it's Beth from SweetHearts and I'm here today with the lovely Alana who has beautiful long hair. So what I thought I'd do today is show you how you can take long hair into a bob. I thought you could maybe use this if you were going to an event or you had like a fancy dress outfit and you needed shorter hair, or if you were thinking about getting the chop but you're not sure if it's going to suit you. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put a curl all the way through Alana's hair. So I'm using today the swivel styler. Now usually with a wand you want to be lifting your elbow up like that so the wand comes downwards, and then you get the hair and you wrap the hair around that wand. But as you can see, my elbow's having to do a lot of work because I'm having to hold my arm in this position. So with the swivel styler, the reason I love it so much is you've got two options. You can have it as a normal wand like that, or you can just move it and click it into that direction. Now what that does is, because it's on a right angle, my elbow can stay by my side, so I'm not going to get arm ache as I'm curling the hair. So I just hold it like that, my arm stays by my side, and then you just take the piece of hair as you would normally, wrap it around the wand, and just curl as normal. So you'll just keep curling the hair all the way through. What I am doing actually is I am alternating which direction I'm taking the curl in. So one curl I'm going sort of like towards the left, and the next one I'm going towards the right, just to sort of give it a bit more of a natural curl. Okay guys, so the curl's in now, so I am going to be separating this curl up so it doesn't look quite as little bo peep. And I'm going to do a little bit of back comb just at the front section here and just on the crown area, just to lift the hair a little bit. So with us trying to make this lovely long hair into a bob, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck it and pin it. However, it's really hard to pin hair up when there's nothing to attach it to. So the way around that is I'm going to take a slice of hair from the bottom here and I'm going to do a little braid in this hair, okay? So I'm just using a little bit of the spray clay to give me a bit of grip on this hair. So all you'll do is a little lace braid or a French braid or a Dutch braid or a cornrow, whatever you prefer, and you'll just start from one end, finish at the other, put a little elastic in. Don't worry if it's not crazy tight, as long as it's tight enough that it's going to be able to hold the hair in, okay? Okay guys, and then I'm just going to pin this little braid up and out the way, just using one of these little mini grips or mini bobby pins. So all we've done there is made that little bit of a base to be able to pin the hair to, okay, so it'll be much more sturdy than trying to just pin it to loose hair. Okay guys, so all I'm doing now is just separating these curls up a little bit, giving them a little spray, holding them at the ends. Just sort that one out, it's gone a bit crazy. And then just pulling them up just to sort of give them a little bit of separation and a bit lighter rather than being sort of like all joined together. So next I'm going to take this back section of hair, just leaving out these front bits for now, just the back section, gather it together really gently, get a little elastic, and just pop an elastic in the end of that hair. And then I've got myself some of these longer grips, and what you're going to do is just take hold of this ponytail and lift it up and place it where this braid was sitting, and then you're going to pin that to the braid, okay? Okay guys, so I kind of want the bob to look like it's going a little bit longer from the front. So I'm just going to do the same to these side bits, pop a little elastic in, and then just pin it so that it just looks a little bit longer from the front of the hair. And then I'm just going to do the same on the other side. Make sure you look from the front when you're pinning it to try and make sure it's even from the front, okay? Okay guys, that is our faux bob finished. I'd love to hear what you think. I prefer short, I think, and Ebony behind the camera does, but Eleanor does not like her hair short. So you give us your opinion on what you think suits Eleanor best. I'm going to do a little spin for you guys, so bear with. So thanks so much for watching guys. Don't forget to come and find me on Facebook and Instagram at SweetHearts Hair, and I will see you again soon. Bye!